Welcome back. I want to talk to you about my conversation with Stacy Miller. I had a conversation with her, and she is a intake specialist at Speaks Law Firm. Her role in the process is when people call after an accident or an injury, after they go through reception, and reception identifies that they're calling to speak with someone about a potential claim, it immediately is transferred to Stacy or someone on her team. And she talked about her role in the process and her background as a law enforcement officer over many years, and her background in private investigation that helps her fulfill her responsibilities in her new role. The first thing of the three takeaways I had from my conversation with Stacy is how important it is for a person in that role to be focused on helping people. That's kind of seems to be who Stacy is, and I think when I look back at the people that we have in that role, they have to be people that care about other people, that people who are there to try to help people. That's their motivation in their work, is to help other people in times of crisis. And I thought that was important, and I thought she did a good job of describing that. Some other keys to that role and to her fulfilling her responsibilities in that role, I thought that were interesting, is recognizing the urgency of the situation, that we have to get started, and we have to get started now, and the empathy of that role in terms of listening and understanding how people have been affected by accidents and injuries, and what their concerns are going forward, to try to see if we can help them resolve those concerns. And then also the detailed documentation that's necessary, because we're going to need this information tomorrow, but we also are going to need this information, 6 months or 9 months or maybe even 2 years from now. So we need it to be thoroughly detailed and documented. And because gaps in treatment can be very detrimental to an injury case, and also lost evidence can be very harmful to an evidence case. And so I think that was important. The other thing that was important about the thing that came from her, my conversation with her, that I thought was important was, this show is for people who are catastrophically injured, and our focus has been on people in North and South Carolina. But the reality is that if people may be watching who are injured in some other part of the country, and if you have questions about your situation or your injuries, you can call and talk to Stacy or somebody else on our intake team. And if we can't help you, we'll try to help you find somebody who can. Who will help you find somebody who can help you. And so you're welcome to give us a call. And anyway, thank you for joining us, and have a great day.